Friends, in the previous videos, we have studied about the current, potential, and Ohm's law. Okay, now we have studied here new topics, resistance and which factor resistance are depends. So first we here is discuss about the resistance. R equal to, as we know that R equal to V upon I. This one is the, according to Ohm's law, V is directly proportional to I, or V equal to Ri, or R equal to V upon I, where R is the resistance, R is noted here resistance, V is the potential, and I is the current here. Okay, so R equal to V upon I, or we can write also here 1 upon I by V, and this slope IV is so that slope of IV graph or VI graph. Okay, so slope of IV graph, this one is equal to resistance here. Resistance equal to potential difference upon current here. The unit of resistance is ohm. Okay, and unit of potential difference is volt. Unit of current is ampere. So the value of resistance R depends on size of the conductor, nature of the material which the conductor is made of, and the temperature of the conductor. R depends upon size of the conductor, nature of the material which conductor is made of, and temperature of the conductor. First we define the resistance. The resistance of a conductor is ratio of the potential difference across its ends to the strength of current flowing through it, because resistance equal to potential difference upon current. So it is the ratio of potential difference across its ends to the strength of the current flowing through it. Resistance of conductor means actually here obstruction to the flow of electron through it. It is the opposition of the flow of electric current. Okay, and it is denoted by this type of symbol. This one is the symbol of resistance, and its unit is ohm. Okay, here unit of resistance is ohm here. So resistance of conductor is said to be 1 ohm if a current of 1 ampere flows through it when a potential difference of 1 voltage applied across its ends. R equal to V upon I. Place of R we put the here 1 ohm, and potential place of V we put the 1 volt, and I equal to 1 ampere. So 1 ohm, this symbol is called the ohm. This is denoted ohm here. Okay, so 1 ohm equal to 1 volt by 1 ampere. So resistance of conductor said to be 1 ohm if a current of 1 ampere flows through it when potential difference of 1 voltage applied across its ends. Okay, next topic is factors on which resistance of a conductor depends. Okay, or resistivity or specific resistance. So first factor is here, resistance depends on length of the conductor. Resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to length of a conductor. It means that if the length of the conductor increases, resistance is also increases. Okay, next is second one is the resistance depends on area. Okay, resistance increases with the decrease in area of cross section. Why? Because the resistance is inversely proportional to cross sectional area of the conductor. Okay, and third one is the, now replace AB with a wire of same length and same area of cross section, but some other material. It is found that the resistance of this wire is different from that of the wire AB. This means that the resistance of conductor depends upon the nature of its material. So resistance depends upon three quantity here. First one, resistance is directly proportional to length. Second one is the resistance is inversely proportional to area, and third one is the depends upon nature of the material. Okay, so first length, if the length of conductor increases, so electron have a travel to longer distance, and as a result of this its resistance increases, means length increases, resistance also increases. R is directly proportional to L here. Second one, cross sectional area. So if the cross-section area of the conductor decreases, the electrons find it more difficult to pass through it, and if such its resistance increases. Means if the area increases, resistance decreases. If the area decreases, resistance increases. Okay, so R is resistance is inversely proportional to area. Combining these two, first and second equation, combining, we get here R resistance is directly proportional to length upon area. This one L. Okay, so R is directly proportional to length upon area. If proportionality is removed, again one constant is there, then this one is called the rho. This one is the symbol of rho. Okay, so this rho is denoted the resistivity, where rho is the constant of proportionality, and it is called the specific resistance or resistivity of the conductor. Resistivity depends on the nature of the material of the conductor and also on temperature. Remember again here, resistivity depends on the nature of the material of the conductor and also on temperature. Resistivity does not depend on length and area. Okay, and it is denoted by rho. If L equal to 1 meter, means length equal to 1 meter, area equal to 1 meter square. So from the relation R equal to rho L by A, R equal to rho. From this relation R equal to rho L by A, if L length equal to 1 meter, area equal to 1 meter square, so R equal to rho, or rho equal to R, means resistivity of material is defined as the resistance offered by a cube of material of the side 1 meter when the current flows perpendicular to the opposite faces of the cube. Means resistance of the conductor is equal to the resistivity when the length of the conductor is 1 meter and area of cross section is 1 meter square. In the next video, we'll study about the series and parallel combination of the resistance. Thank you.